Hello, Dr. Kreiner here, and I have an assessment update for you. Here's the Chapter 6 exam. You'll notice we're in the assessments folder of Chapter 6, which is the integumentary system. You see the traditional exam at the top. Important point to note, read carefully. I put a timer on this test. You have 20 minutes to complete the test. There are 6 questions. At 20 minutes, the test will automatically submit. Blackboard will give you warnings as you approach the 20 minutes. Next, because there's only 6 test questions, I've added a integumentary system project. So let's take a look at this project. And it is loading. So, we need to maximize that. So, item 1, I'm going to have you create a 1-page flyer or poster that is used to explain why older people have more difficulty regulating body temperature than do younger people. The poster, the main elements of the poster, or things that you need to kind of check off and make sure you have, I've listed here. And if you scroll down to page 2, you'll find that I put a rubric in. Now, there are 3 parts to this project. Once you make your poster, you're going to have to create a video of you presenting the poster as if you were presenting it to somebody who was older and you were explaining to them why their ability to regulate temperature has decreased. So you see the part of the rubric includes the video presentation, and then you have the actual poster elements, and then at the bottom there's an interview. So let's scroll back up. The rubric is there, and the rubric is already in Blackboard, so you can view it there. Item number 2, create a video of you presenting your poster as if to an older person, explaining in terms they can understand the answer to question number 1. Now, if anyone asks to interview me as the older person, you will immediately lose 10 points off of this 75-point project. You know for whom this warning was posted. Number 3, interview 3 elderly people. They have to be ages 60 and above, and I want at least a 20-year span between their ages, from the youngest person to the oldest person, so that you have some different data to work with. Now, in this age of social distancing, you cannot do that by meeting with somebody. You need to make a phone call to do it. So reach out to grandparents or uncles and aunts or something like that, okay? So interview 3 elderly people as to the effects the person has noticed on the integumentary system, their skin, during aging. I want you to create a table of the results, including how you phrase the question. And include this table in your video, but do not mention any person by name. And in your video, explain the results of the table. So in the table, person number 1, age 72, and here's how the question was asked, and here's what they said, their feedback. Person number 2, age this and this, and so on and so forth. This project, all 3 parts together, are worth 75% of the unit exam grade. If you have any questions, you will be welcome to ask me on Thursday when we get together, or through email. Thank you much. Goodbye.